today I'm going to start with my most recent topper, which is the UniWigs Amber Silk Top Human Hair Topper with bangs. And this is in the color G2, which is a dark toffee brown. The base is 6 inches down, 6 inches across, so that's pretty standard coverage. It comes with 4 clips, and then the silk top here is where you can part it right around there. So you kind of have a small area where to part it from. So I'm going to show you more of that when I put it on. So I'm going to go ahead and take down my bio hair and brush it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna flip it, and I've already found the position that works for me. Some people bring it all the way forward, some people like it farther back, but mine's like right there. So I'm going to hold it down while I put in the 4 clips. I like that I can just wear this and it can really just blend with my own hair, and it's really light. I do like that it's really light. Another way I wear it, my favorite way, is up in a ponytail, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you. Yes, so I leave these front pieces down. I kind of can pull out a couple of my own pieces, and I would probably end up straightening those and curling those as well, but I just love this whole look right here. It does remind me of This Is Us, you know, when they do flashbacks of the family. This is what it looks like up close. So, and I could pull some of my hair out, but there's the part. This is what it looks like from the side. Excuse any part of my messy room that you can see. So yeah, I really like this piece. I love having it up, especially if you are outdoorsy or you want something that you can wear outside. I think this is a really great option for you.